Okay. Okay, this part. Now, this part design, we'll just let us give some half centimeter here and half centimeter here. Okay. And just draw the line. And maybe 1 centimeter or half. Yeah. You can mark it 1 centimeter in the center. Draw the line. Now, make a cup-like thing over here. See this, you are joining at the same line. Okay. This shows the perfectness. Perfection is matching these lines everywhere.
How many centimeters is the box?
This box is of 1 centimeter
Oh,
from
okay.
this line. Here I have increased half centimeter, and this is 1 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. This is 0.5 centimeter. 0.5. Okay, this is also 0.5. This is 1 centimeter. And this total is almost, yeah, 1.8 or something, 1.9.
Ma'am, I couldn't take 0.5 on each side, so I took 0.4 instead.
Okay, the measurement should be fine. Okay. And what is this? Let us have a clear picture. This is 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters. Okay. And this is when I count, this is this from here it is 2 centimeters. Okay, from here it is 2 centimeters. And this is 0.5 centimeters. Just for our reference, we have done this. We'll take a photo and next we are going to so maybe the borders and all that may change a little bit because we are going to have the circle. We have two borders over here, right? So we'll just make small borders rather than this big borders because our circle is going to come from here to here. We have one circle of this range from here to here. Our circle. Okay, let us make the measurements.
Ma'am, so the waterfall, it's not like a box, right?
No,
It goes up
we
and
are going
down.
to have a design over there.
Okay.
We are going to have a design. We are making this
No,
box.
not that box. The upper one, like the tap. It's like bent. It's like curved.
This one.
No, like the this box.
This.
Yeah, that box.
Yeah, that we are going to change.
Oh, okay.
Because,
Because in the picture, it looks like really curvy.
no. See, this one we are going to erase. We are going to have a design over here because this shows the outer layer. Okay. So this will be only till here. We have two lines over here. And this is going to form, this part is going to be from inside. So what we can do, we can start from here, the second line.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so that it will be something like that's coming from inside. And this is
Yeah.
the elevation part. Okay.
Mhm.
Oh, good point, Meenakshi. Good. I'm sure this is going to be superb than the reference. We'll just give a little bit above because this is looking too small. And here we can form a design. Uh, from here we can start the design. We can just give a curve here. Okay. Half centimeter from here. And this is going to be the reference center line. Give a double line here itself. Now try to get the Sharpies of different sizes like 0.05, 0.1 and 0.8. If at all you can get the whole set, that will be fine for the final works. Or if at all you have any colorful Sharpies, even that will work, okay? And now, this is going to be the reference line. Take it up. And now when forming the designs, we need to check this. Okay, let me take a picture of this. Oh, we are not seeing the time. It's 8:45. Okay. We'll just do this one design and leave the class, okay? What design shall we do? Okay, we have these points, right? Now let me, okay, let us give the cup shape in this way. We'll just create our own design, okay? Let me go with the Sharpie and erase this point. Be very careful when you're doing with the Sharpies. Not, Please wait for some time. We are going to change this design a little bit. This, this is going to look something like this, okay? You can give your own design, but if you want to copy, you can just do the same. And yeah, yeah, see this? Is my screen clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So in tomorrow's class, we'll build up all this. What we'll do, we'll just give the outline, okay? And we'll do one small design so that you can fill up the rest. And we'll try to complete at least the total part. And you people do it very slowly, very perfectly. Take your own time. We have a whole lot of week. Okay? Do a little bit quarter part. Don't try to complete everything. If at all you're working on this area, take a lot of time to work. Maybe 10 to 15 minutes to work only on this area. Okay? We need that perfect curves, that perfect lines, whatever we are going to do the mandala one. Okay? At spacing, like placing at equal spaces and all. Mandala is all about perfect lines, curves, and distances. Okay, ma?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So I'll post this picture. I'll post all the pictures according to the centimeter, like measurements and all in the group. You can just check. And this finally we are going to give a perfect line, curves and all. Okay. Hello, let's end the session now.
Okay.
Shall we?
Bye, ma'am.
Yeah, bye. Adia, bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.